Kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. So today's we will learn time. Okay? In the time we will learn many things. Okay everyone? So firstly I will show you the clock. Okay, you can see here this is called the wall clock. Okay, इस टाइप की हम वॉच को हम हमारे घरों में लगाते हैं, दीवार पर लगाते हैं, इसलिए हम इसे बोलते हैं वॉल क्लॉक. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रिस्ट वॉच. रिस्ट मतलब जो हम अपने हाथ में हमारी कलाई पे पहनते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड दी रिस्ट वॉच. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड दी रिस्ट वॉच एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड दी वॉल क्लॉक. इन दिस क्लॉक देयर आर टोटल 12 numbers. ओके, there are total 12 numbers in this wall clock. Okay, but how to make the clock and how to write the correct number in the clock? So these things I will tell you. Okay, so firstly you have to make the plus sign. Okay, you have to make the plus sign. This is the plus sign. In the plus sign you can see this is one line is standing line and one line is sleeping line. Okay, so firstly we will see the standing line. In the standing line we will have to take the above line. Okay, we will have to take the above line. In the above line, the top pointer, we have to put the 12 number. Okay, I am putting the 12 number here. Okay, exactly you have to put the 12 number. In the same line, okay, this is called the below line. Below line की point पे यहाँ पे we have to put the 6 number. Okay, I am putting here 6 number. Okay, and this is the sleeping line. Okay, in the sleeping line right side, this is called the right side. Right side में मैं यहाँ पे लिखूंगी 3. Okay, आप सबको भी 3 लिखना है, 3. And here you have to put the 9 number. And remaining numbers जो भी रहेगा वो हम लिखेंगे क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, 12 के बाद लिखेंगे 1, then 2, already 3 is here, then we have to write 4. 4 के बाद आता है 5 we will write, then 6 already is here, then after 6 which number is coming? 7. So here we will write 7, then after 7 8 number we have to put, 9 is already here, 10 we will write, then 11 we have to write, 12 is already here. Okay, now we will see ये 12 से लेकर 1 के बीच में कितने डिविजन्स होते हैं. In this clock you have to see there are total 5 divisions. Okay, so it will complete 5 minutes. Again 1 to 2 के बीच में 5 divisions होते हैं. So 5 से 5 कितना हो गया? 10. Okay, so it will become 10. Now 10 to 3 पे आते आते 15. Then 3 to 4 पे आते आते 20. Okay, then 20 to 25, 25 to 30. So here you should know the table of 5. Okay, 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 3s are 5 4s are 5 10s are 50. Okay, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60 minutes. Okay, now 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Okay, and after 1 hour we will learn 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Yes, 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Okay, एक दिन में कितने घंटे होते हैं? 24 hours होते हैं. ठीक है, और जब हम ये देखेंगे 2 hands. Okay, अभी यहाँ 2 hands बचे हैं. So here I am talking about the O clock. Okay, in the time I am talking about the O clock. O clock is very important for learning the time. Okay, in the O clock जैसे मैं बोल रही हूँ 7 o'clock, 3 o'clock से here आप यहाँ सुन रहे हैं O clock, O clock, O clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Okay, so basically we will learn here the 2 important hands. Okay, in the time the 2 important hands are very useful for reading the time. Okay, this is big hand and a small hand. You can see easily the big hand. The big hand is at 12 number and the small hand is at 3 number. Okay, this is called the big hand and big hand indicates the minute hand. Okay, जो बड़ा वाला कांटा होता है घड़ी का वो मिनट को शो करता है. ठीक है, एंड दिस स्मॉल हैंड शोज द आवर हैंड, ठीक है, एंड जो छोटा खाता होता है घड़ी का वो आवर्स को शो करता है, ठीक है। अब हम यहाँ बात कर रहे हैं कि जब भी बिग हैंड अगर 12 पे होगा और स्मॉल हैंड किसी भी नंबर पे होगा, एग्जैक्टली उसी नंबर पे होगा, तो उसे हम ओ क्लॉक बोलेंगे, ठीक है। हाउ, सी हियर, द बिग हैंड इज एट 12 एंड द स्मॉल हैंड इज एट 3, exactly both hand exactly at the same number. So here we will say the timing is 3 o'clock, है ना? So the timing is 3 o'clock. Okay, now I will tell you if the big hand is at 4, so we will say this 4 o'clock. Okay, sorry, if the small hand is at 4 and the big hand is at 12. Okay, I'm not moving the big hand. Okay, मैं सिर्फ जो small hand है उसको move कर रही हूँ. So now small hand is at 5, so the timing is 12 o'clock. Sorry, 5 o'clock. And the small hand is at 6 and the big hand is at 12, so the timing is 6 o'clock. Okay, now the small hand is at 10 and the big hand is at 12, so the timing is 10 o'clock. And the small hand is at 12 and the big hand is also at 12, so the timing is 12 o'clock. ओके, यहाँ पे मैंने आपको AM और PM के बारे में नहीं बताया, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू हाउ टू रीड द टाइम, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Okay, so this is the time. In the next video, I will tell you the half an hours. Okay, I hope you will learn and you are enjoying. Thank you so much. We will meet in the next video.